Alright guys, welcome back to today's tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how so many others make money with Linktree through their TikTok accounts. This is just a process that if you set it correctly, you might be getting a daily income through your free Linktree account, okay? So now, if you go to this person's account on TikTok, you can see that she has her Linktree bio link here on her TikTok account. So if you click on this link now, as you can see here, she's making money through her affiliate, Amazon affiliate link. As you can see, shop Amazon with me. And with some other affiliate associated link, you can see here on her bio. So if you click on this shop Amazon with me link now, then you'll be taken to her Amazon platform, okay? And anything you shop from that Amazon, so let's click it now. So anything you shop there, she will be making a commission. So as you can see here, so that is how this method works, okay? So if we go to the second person's account, here is about inspiring quotes also. You can see that this person has a Linktree bio link on their profile, on their TikTok profile now. So if you click on this link, then you'll be brought to their Linktree landing page. As you can see here, they make money with their affiliate link through Amazon. So when you listen to their audiobooks on Amazon, they get a commission for that. So you can see it here also. So once you click on any of the link now, so then you'll be taken to Amazon platform. So whereby if you happen to shop anything through this link now, they will get a commission, an affiliate commission for doing that. So I'm going to show you the method on how they set up this Linktree account and start making money with it, no matter whichever country you are, okay? So now all you need to do is to go to any browser of your choice and go to cpagrip.com. So you go through the process of signing up with them and register your accounts. So then after registering your account, go to the payment center. Then you'll be brought to the payment settings. You can get paid through Pioneer, PayPal, or US bank transfer. So after you must have finished setting it up, then click on Offer Tools. Then click on My Offers. So here on the offers, depending on the country where you are living, they will show you the offers from that country you registered your account with. So if anybody happened to register through this my link, I will be making 43 cents on this one, likewise others, and this one 10 cents. So you are free also to go here and select countries. You can, for example, select United States. So if you click on United States now, they will display the United States offers, and the offers from United States pays good, as you can see here. So what you are going to do right now to make money through this method is to go to Linktree and create a free account on Linktree. So after creating your account with Linktree, then you will be brought to your dashboard here. So all you need to do, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Nigeria as an example. So you go to countries here, you search for Nigeria. You can also search for your own country. So as I said before, I'm going to use Nigeria as an example. So I'm going to select Nigeria. So then offers for Nigerians alone will be displayed for me. If you look down here on the offers displayed for Nigerians, as you can see, these are just little tokens of money you'll be making from any of your links somebody registered through it. So let's say, for example, you want to promote this link. All you need to do is to click on it, then copy your link, go back to your Linktree, then click on add link, then paste your link here and click on add. Now you can click on this first pencil icon and edit the title, okay? So here on the title, you can say something like register to get free football highlights. So now the next thing you need to do is to go to your TikTok account and link your Linktree account on your bio here on TikTok. So when somebody comes over to TikTok and click on this link, then the person will be brought to your Linktree landing page, just as you can see this one now. So anything somebody clicks here and make a purchase or register for free or listen to this audiobook for free, then this person gets a commission for that, okay? So that is it for today's video. So if you like this video, please comment down, like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to be notified anytime we upload video tips like this, okay? So with that being said, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next videos.